it works. Okay, perfect.
We could try pulling this thing out straight, and it might just.
Well, I can't because the wheels in there.
No, when you get the jack out.
Oh, right. Okay, yeah. So I need to go down a little lower, right? So, just lower.
As low as you can, it's in. Because it's still. That's good.
That's free and clear. So right now the jack is doing nothing.
Yep.
So we can like this. We'll each grab a side, and I would say the clock is ticking here. Not want to waste any time here. Okay. This is gonna go right back in. So, out. Brakes out of the way. Words it out. Rick.
How are we gonna get
Rick, I'm gonna push him with this thing.
Alright.
For the people watching in the video, do not want to be underneath the engine, of course. At all. Okay. You pull an engine stand out. I come in with this. Man, what does NASCAR have on us? Am I doing this right? Yeah.
Shame. Move forward, move it forward.
Well, let's get close here. It matters a whole bunch, but.
Yep, that's good.
Okay, so. Done. Woo! Alright.
Right,
Now,
so
you
that
pull that out. This out. And down. Oops. There's these little safety things here.
Yeah.
There we go. Down, down. Like that. Boom. Drop the mic. Nicely done, bud. Thank you. That was awesome. Woo.
Very time.
Let's stop the video here. Do it. So, 1989 Porsche 911 3.2 full engine rebuild. I didn't have it on the video, unfortunately, because I just showed this last step, but it was on the engine stand, and I don't have a cherry picker. So we did this clever thing with the brakes, and had an ATV stand sitting on bricks above the engine stand, jacked the engine up, pulled the engine stand free enough so that we could remove the Porsche engine mount tool, and then dropped it down onto the heat exchangers, and from there you can see then we pulled everything out and done. No cherry picker required.